For as long as humanity has gazed at the moon, it has been a symbol of mystery and wonder, a constant companion in the night sky. Its soft glow has inspired poets, guided explorers, and offered solace to generations. Yet, beneath its serene appearance lies a cosmic relationship far more dynamic and precarious than most realize. What if this celestial neighbor, our tide-regulating, night-illuminating satellite, were not as benign as we assume? Could the moon, our closest companion in space, one day become a harbinger of unimaginable catastrophe? This question, once confined to the realm of science fiction, now intrigues scientists and visionaries alike as we deepen our understanding of the universe's intricate forces. The story of the moon begins with cataclysm. Around 4.5 billion years ago, in the infancy of the solar system, a Mars-sized protoplanet collided with the nascent Earth. This violent impact ejected a massive ring of molten debris into orbit, which gradually coalesced to form the moon. Over the eons, the moon has been more than just a passive bystander. It has been a stabilizing force, anchoring Earth's axial tilt and regulating its climate. Without the moon, life as we know it might never have arisen. Yet even this ancient partnership is not without its tensions. The moon is gradually drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, a process with potential implications for the long-term stability of our planet. But what if, instead of drifting away, the moon began an inexorable journey toward Earth? Scientists have contemplated scenarios in which the delicate gravitational dance between Earth and the moon could be disrupted. A rogue celestial body passing through the solar system, a massive asteroid impact, or even advanced human activity gone awry could theoretically alter the moon's orbit. The consequences of such an event would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The initial stages of a closer moon would manifest as amplified tidal forces. The gravitational pull of the moon already creates ocean tides, but as it drew nearer, these forces would become exponentially stronger. Coastal cities would be inundated by colossal waves, while low-lying regions would vanish beneath the encroaching seas. Inland, the strain on Earth's crust could trigger widespread seismic activity, with earthquakes and tsunamis devastating entire continents. As the moon spiraled ever closer, its gravitational influence could reach catastrophic levels, disrupting Earth's rotation and shortening the length of a day. This would lead to chaotic weather patterns, with violent storms and prolonged droughts becoming the norm. The moon's proximity would also provoke massive volcanic eruptions, spewing ash and gases into the atmosphere and plunging the planet into a volcanic winter. Meanwhile, the once familiar face of the moon would transform into an ominous harbinger of doom, its surface glowing and scarred from the friction of its descent. Fragments of lunar material would rain down upon Earth, igniting meteoric firestorms and obliterating vast swathes of land. The psychological toll on humanity would be immense. The moon, long a symbol of inspiration and hope, would become a source of terror, its looming presence a constant reminder of impending annihilation. Societies would grapple with existential despair, struggling to maintain order amid the chaos. Could humanity survive such an unprecedented disaster? The odds are slim, but survival would depend on our ability to adapt, innovate, and cooperate on a global scale. Fortunately, the likelihood of the moon colliding with Earth is exceedingly low. The vast emptiness of space and the relative stability of our solar system make such a scenario almost impossible. However, the exercise of imagining these possibilities underscores a profound truth. Our existence is fragile, and our planet is not immune to the forces of the cosmos. This awareness drives the ongoing efforts of scientists and engineers to monitor and mitigate cosmic threats. From advanced telescopes tracking potential asteroid impacts to space missions designed to study the behavior of celestial bodies, humanity is investing in its cosmic safety net. Modern technology allows us to study the moon with remarkable precision. Lunar reconnaissance missions, ground-based observatories, and satellites provide invaluable data on the moon's composition, orbit, and interactions with Earth. These efforts not only enhance our understanding of our celestial partner, but also prepare us for potential challenges. While the scenario of the moon colliding with Earth remains firmly in the realm of improbability, it serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of the universe and the importance of planetary stewardship. Beyond the scientific implications, the exploration of such apocalyptic scenarios invites humanity to reflect on its place in the cosmos. The same ingenuity that enables us to contemplate lunar catastrophes can be harnessed to address more immediate challenges: climate change, resource depletion, and geopolitical conflicts. The moon, whether drifting peacefully in the night sky or imagined as an agent of destruction, serves as a poignant symbol of our interconnectedness with the universe and our responsibility to protect our shared home. So, could the moon ever crash into Earth? The science assures us it's an exceedingly unlikely event, but the mere thought evokes a profound sense of wonder and curiosity. What if the luminous celestial body that has guided humanity through the millennia, lighting our nights, influencing our tides, and inspiring our dreams, turned into an ominous agent of destruction? As improbable as this scenario may be, exploring it compels us to grapple with the immense and unpredictable forces of the cosmos. In doing so, we confront the fragile balance that sustains life on Earth and the intricate relationships that bind us to the universe. To imagine such a calamity is to confront the unimaginable: the moon, which has for billions of years served as Earth's steadfast companion, suddenly becoming its adversary. Yet, in this act of contemplation, we are not paralyzed by fear but propelled toward discovery. This question is not about imminent doom, but about the vast unknowns that continue to beckon our curiosity. It reminds us that humanity's greatest strength lies not in its ability to predict the future, but in its unyielding spirit to explore, adapt, and innovate in the face of uncertainty. As we gaze at the moon, its soft light illuminating the boundless expanse above, it becomes more than a natural satellite. It is a mirror to our aspirations and a silent witness to our journey through the ages. Its story, etched in the scars of cosmic collisions and eons of celestial dance, is one of resilience and renewal. The moon's very presence in our sky is a testament to the transformative power of the universe, where chaos and creation are inextricably linked. In contemplating its potential as a destroyer, we are paradoxically reminded of its enduring role as a muse. The moon challenges us to push beyond the boundaries of what we know, to embrace the mysteries that lie ahead, and to strive for a deeper understanding of the cosmos. It urges us to consider not just the forces that shape our physical world, but also the limitless horizons of human imagination and ingenuity. As we look to the future, the moon stands as both a symbol and a guide, a celestial companion that invites us to dream boldly, to navigate the unknown with courage, and to reach for the stars with unshakable resolve. Its light, however faint, continues to illuminate the darkest corners of our curiosity, inspiring us to explore, understand, and create a legacy that echoes across the vastness of space and time.